Hi guys, I'm Cindy Brown, this is Supposedly Chic, and welcome to my channel. Guys, today we're going to be doing a trunk club unboxing. For those of you who are new, we do trunk club unboxings about once a month. Trunk Club is a clothing subscription from Nordstrom's. And guys, if you are new to Supposedly Chic, welcome. So glad to have you here. Really would love for you to think about subscribing. And for my loyal subbies, guys, you are awesome. And I just want to take a minute and just tell you how much I appreciate you. Thank you so much. So guys, if you've been watching our channel, you know this is either our third or our fourth trunk club. Our last month's trunk made this subscription junkie girl feel a little bit sad because we only got 5 pieces and none of them were spectacular. So Lauren, my stylist, I told her that I really wanted a lot of versatility, a lot of good color, and a lot of pieces. Well, I'm going to tell you that Lauren knocked it out of the park because we got 12 pieces. Guys, I didn't have enough fingers to show you what we got. I'm going to say like 12 there. 12 pieces. That's a lot for a trunk. And we got a variety of stuff. I've got some dresses, a couple nice tops, a kimono, all really great colors, all really different kinds of styles. And for me, that's what I want my trunk club to be. I want to explore. So we definitely got that. We're gonna start basically just talking about each item. I'll tell you what the item is, what the cost is, and at the end, I will let you know what I decided to keep. Trunk Club allows you to keep all or none. They don't have any kind of incentive like some other subscriptions do. It makes it nice because if I hate everything in the trunk, I can send the whole thing back and it doesn't cost me anything. So guys, I'm going to grab our first item and we're going to start going down one by one. Alright guys, our first item is from Bobeau. It is a ruffle sleeve open print jacket. It is $59. And it's got a great print on it. I think this is one that you can pair with either light or dark items. It has pretty nice big sleeves. It has really nice detail on the sleeves and here at the front. Guys, I like the way this fits for a bunch of reasons. I like the fact that the kimono sleeves aren't really long because it's kind of a pain when they get caught in your hands when you're trying to move. I like the, I just like the flow. As you guys can see, it moves really well, and this I think is a piece that it's also really lightweight, so I don't have to like put this in my closet until fall. I could probably just have it on sort of for like when it gets a little cooler in the evening. Although you guys, we have just had the biggest heat wave in Southern California that we've had on record, so I don't know when it's going to be cool enough to wear this, but I think there will be a day someday, and that's going to be the day I put this on. Alright guys, so the next item is a dress. It is a shafter tie-dye jersey halter maxi dress by Felicity & Coco. This is $78, and this is the one that caught my eye as soon as I took it out of the box. I really love the pattern. It's maxi, so it's going to be kind of tough to show you here in the close-up, but that's the pattern of the maxi. I like the sort of knotted cord that goes around the neck. I like how it kind of comes down into this sort of triangle here. It fits well. I don't think that it goes plunges down too low. I like how it sort of fits my curves. And guys, this might be the favorite item for me for this trunk. It definitely is the one that fit the best. And again, I just really like it. What do you guys think? Our next item is the Pintuck embroidered shift dress from Everly. This is $59. And guys, it's just really, I think, shapeless. It's also a size too big. That's not really Trunk Club's fault. If you guys watch my channel, you know I've been doing a ketogenic diet for the last 2 months, and I hadn't realized how many inches I had lost until I started putting on this trunk. And quite honestly, everything with the exception of the maxi dress, which I think is supposed to be a little snug, is big. So yay me, but that means that these Trunk Club items, if I like them a lot, I have to see they have them in a different size and exchange them. But this one, I think even if I size down, yeah, I like the idea of it, you know, especially I told you how hot it is. This dress is really lightweight on. I just think it's cute. It just doesn't work very well with my shape. The embroidery on it though, guys, is so beautiful and so intricate. It's just, yeah, it's just not my style of dress. Our next item is also from Everly. This is an embroidered dress in orange. And guys, I was really surprised at how much I liked the color and the style of this dress. Again, the size leaves something to be desired. I'm gonna try and maybe get a size down. I don't know. I don't know if one size down would do it, but again, very, very beautiful detailed embroidery on the front. I was really surprised, although maybe I should, because it sort of matches this, but it does have more orange than it does the red. But again, what a comfortable, wonderful, light dress. It was so flowy. Even though it wasn't quite the right size, it really made me feel pretty, if that makes sense. Just sort of the feel and the style and the flow, all of those things along with the fit and the color and the design, I think makes an outfit make you feel pretty. And this one definitely did. I think I'm going to see if Lauren can do something to get something similar, but maybe just a little bit of a different, like if it had some more, are they called darts, I think? Darts right here? That just sort of, because for my body shape, there has to be a little bit of indentation at the waist, otherwise it just looks very nondescript. So again, beautiful. It had nice little pleated sleeves, and it's a shame that it wasn't the right cut and fit, because this would have been kind of a summer staple for me. I really like how the color and how the gauze material looked on me. And this dress, just like the other Everlay dress, is $59. Out of all the dresses, I think this one is my favorite. This is by Halogen, and they just call it an A-line dress in coral. Guys, it's such a cool pattern. This is what I was talking about. Lauren, like, she totally outdid herself on putting all these different patterns and designs and colors in this box, in this trunk. I like the length. I kind of like my dresses to stop a little bit above the knee. It just had the simple zipper back, and it fit nice here in the sleeves. It was a little blousey-ish. I might see if I can have them size it down one, but this is one that you can, that I can wear by itself in the summertime with a pair of, just some, maybe a little pair of beige or peach sandals. And then I could throw, some type of little cardigan on this as it gets to fall and winter. And it really could be a pretty versatile dress, I think, for me, for work and for fun. But again, really love the pattern. It's almost abstract. It's like when I look close, I kind of maybe see like a flower here. Maybe. That kind of looks like petals, but they're not so like defined flowers. And I think that's kind of what I like about it, is the sort of the abstract nature of this dress. So, if they can't get me to size down, I may just keep it anyways and see if I can have someone take it in, because I almost think that I don't want to let this guy go. I like it that much. Our next item is by Gibson, and it is the High Sugar Plum Monterey Easy Skirt. Guys, I just wasn't a huge fan of this. You know what I think what it is I'm not a huge fan of elastic waist, sort of flowy skirts. If I'm gonna have flow, the flow is gonna be in the top, like this blouse here, and then my skirt's gonna be like a pencil skirt or a straight skirt. The pattern's really pretty. Had this been a dress, I would have really loved it. It's sort of that gauzy, lightweight material, and again, this was too big, but that's on me. That's not on Trunk Club this time. And I'm also a little suspect of skirts that have pockets, because if you have sort of that hourglass shape like I do, pockets on the hips can just make the hips look even bigger. So also not a huge fan of that, but they do seem to lay pretty flat. But the pattern's really pretty. The length I liked. Again, I do like the above knee. And the easy skirt is $49, and yeah, we're definitely not going to keep this, but it's a great place to start a conversation with my stylist about what the possibilities are. Find me something that's this sort of royal navy blue with some really cool pale white flowers on it, and see where we go from there. That's kind of the beauty of Trunk Club, is they've got the entire Nordstrom's wardrobe line to sort of go through and find something. So high hopes that we can find something that's similar to this, but not necessarily an elastic waist flowy skirt. This one is the print shirt dress by, I guess it's Bobeau. Guys, I so wanted to like this. I love this pattern. This almost is kind of what I was talking about, right? I mean, it's not a royal blue, but it's kind of the blue with the sort of muted white flowers. The problem is that there just was no shape to this dress at all. And I think even if I sized it down, the only true sort of excitement it has is the collar and the ruffle sleeves. And it's just such a bummer, because God, I wouldn't have thought I liked blue and orange together, but I really did. And I like the neckline. Again, if they would have done something different with the skirt, I like the length. I think it hit just right about at my knee. This guy had all of those great things. Is $69, and such a shame, wishing what could have been. Would you believe that only gets us about 2/3 of the way through this trunk? I feel like I've been doing this forever, and I'm not kidding. There's so much in this trunk to break open. The next item is the CeCe Denim Cascading Ruffle Denim Skirt. It is by CeCe, and it is $79. Again, it's not really an elastic waist, but it is sort of that almost A-line type of skirt. It does have a zipper on the side. I don't know if I showed you that in the close-ups. And it was a little big. I don't think this shirt looks really great layered with tops sort of layered over it, and I am still not in a spot where I would either have a, what do you call it, a midriff top. So I don't know. Maybe if it didn't have the ruffle it would be a little easier. But again, this is another piece that we can start with Lauren and say, hey, I like this sort of distressed, because it's denim, guys, but it doesn't feel like denim. It's like cotton denim. It's not like jeans. So if we could have got this, I don't know, a little snugger, a little shorter, a little smaller, I would really have liked it. But this is the CeCe skirt. And guys, that does it for us for dresses and skirts. So what we have left is a couple of tops. So she did really good too. We have different cuts on the tops. We have different patterns and colors. And I like that when I get a trunk club, because, you know, what am I going to do with 3 black shirts or 3 white shirts? These pieces I can kind of move around and sort of integrate through my wardrobe, match it up with the various things, whether I have beige pants or white or jeans or black jeans. There's a lot of versatility in the items that she picked for us this month. So this top is from Lucky brand. I love me some Lucky, but I'm not always a big fan of the Lucky prices. This is called the Printed Floral Tank, and guys, not bad, $39.50. It did have this little cutout, which I noticed in the close-up was hard to see because the tags got in the way. But that's what it looks like. It's not a big deal. I would say, honestly, I would have liked it had that had the same floral pattern, because it's not consistent, and I can't figure out if I can get this on the hanger right so you can see it. But it's not like a consistent oval, you know, like the flowers sort of go here. So it almost looks like this sort of space up here, but I just think it's oddly placed on the back. That being said, I don't know how to describe this color, because it's like a muted fuchsia, I think, but I love how it's dark here and light here and almost non-existent here. I like the cut of the tank, and I like the fact that this has enough pretty sort of floral detail that it can dress up or down. It's a cotton, so it's not like it's a silk or a nylon. So I could just pair it with some shorts if I was just, you know, hanging out during the day. But I could also very much dress this up, throw it on with some nice black pants, maybe some black, like slim black pants that are kind of cropped. And at $39.50, Lucky brand, you guys just got lucky, because supposedly Chic is buying this top. Oh, I'm not supposed to tell you guys that till the end. I really love it. I might wear it today when this is over. All right, guys, so our next top is by Caslon, and bear with me because I've got 3 different Caslon items. I had to go down my list to find out which one this is. This is called a Pintuck knit tank in multicolor, $39, and this, I really like that other tank, but this one is so pretty on. I really love the sort of button detail and the shearing here in the front. I think I'm going to ask Lauren to size it down just 1, because I'm not done with my keto journey yet, so I want to keep this guy as long as I can. But this is just a phenomenal top. It was a little longer than I'm used to, but I thought long and hard about it when I was trying it on, and I thought, you know, I'm not going to trip on that, because I can wear it with leggings, I can wear it with a couple different things, and the length won't be such a problem. The back is pretty much just, you know, standard cut on the neck. But I sure did like this on. This was one of those pieces that just kind of, I liked the pattern, but I wasn't sure until I put it on. And then as you can see, it really flatters me in my shape. So gotta get it sized down a size. And this one will also be a staple in my summer and fall wardrobe. Surprise, another Caslon. This is the lace back swing tee in white. It is $49, I guess, because it's got all this much more fabric. And I think I would have liked it if it wasn't big. And again, that's on me. I really like the back. I think it takes sort of a white tank and takes it up a notch with all of this detail in the back. It does come out definitely an A-line type of top. I like sort of this pattern here around the neck, and that goes down the sleeves. It sort of coordinates with the outer stripes on the back of the shirt. And if we can size this thing down, the only thing I don't like about it is I would love it if it was sort of a more simple white top that I could just sort of pair with whatever I want to. But it is a really unique take on a white tank. All right, our last top and our last Caslon. This is called the Off Duty Tie Sleeve Top. And I'm a little torn on this, you guys. I liked it. I liked it when I put it on. I just don't know if I like it enough. It feels a little heavy. It almost feels like a sweatshirt. Like I think there's like 2 layers here. Yeah, there's almost like a mesh underneath here. So it makes it a little heavy, but it is, again, it's like Lauren had this whole like thought process through the whole thing. Again, I don't have any very defined prints or designs except the embroidery ones. They're all sort of vague and abstract, and this one's not any different. You know, it's got the different levels of blue. I don't know, what did I say the price was on this guy? $39. She gave us a lot of tops, guys, that were like 39 bucks. I mean, I could get like a couple of them and not feel like I was handing over the checkbook. And I don't have a top that has this kind of cutout. I have the cold shoulder type that are up here, but this one, as you can kind of see, it's sort of unique. So this one's gonna have to go in the maybe pile because I think it possibly exists that I could make this work. So that's our last Caslon and our last item for this month's trunk. So I think that just about wraps up our unboxing and our try-ons for this month's trunk club. Guys, we got 12 pieces. So I'm going to tell you what my top 4 are for sure. And these ones are going to be ones that I'm going to keep. I'm going to take a look at the other ones, but for sure I know the Caslon tank, the multicolor tank we're going to keep, the Bobeau ruffle sleeve open, they call it a jacket, I'm calling it a kimono, the halogen multicolor shift dress, and last but not least, the Felicity and Coco tie-dye maxi dress. So guys, those 4 items for sure are going to be staying in my closet. And let me know what you think about the other ones. What would you have kept? Because had the size been right, I'm not going to lie to you, there was not a piece in this month's trunk that I wouldn't have been able to find a way to keep. And that gets a little bit dangerous because 12 pieces in a Nordstrom's trunk club can tend to be a little bit pricey. But quite honestly, she did really great. Lauren, I think, did really great on the price points because she does know that, you know, I don't have an unlimited bank account, so she's doing a really great job at sort of keeping the price points down low. Have you guys used Trunk Club before? If not, I'm going to put a link down in the description that will allow you to waive your styling fee for the first Trunk Club. So if you do that, let me know. We actually did have a subby do that, and if you're out there, please tell me, you know, what your trunk was, how you liked it, and thank you so much. So guys, this is what we do here at Supposedly Chic. If you haven't already, I ask that you just do me a favor and just slam the heck out of that subscribe button down below. And as I said, if you're new to Supposedly Chic, I'm going to throw up a couple of videos here that will help get you started, let you know what Supposedly Chic is about. And guys, until next time, this is Cindy at Supposedly Chic, and make it a good one.